Hey guys, we're back with another video, and we're doing a 24-hour overnight challenge on the couch, and we have food, drinks, beats. Well, I have my beats, and yeah, you can hear her.
Get off the couch. You may go to the fridge and get the drink or the food that has to be refrigerated with no cost of getting off the couch. Bathroom breaks are free getting off the couch.
Free.
They're free.
Free.
And then if I go and change this, I have to at least do it under 2 minutes, 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So that's pretty much what I do. And then I'm going to show you my bag.
I'm going to show you my bag. See, you see our bag. So what I brought was my Beats, my charger, my phone. I'm using it right now because my camera's in the shop and they're fixing the lenses and stuff. And so I have Cheetos, Doritos, and Lay's, and a fruit snack, and 2 Sunny D's. I'm thirsty right now, so I'm gonna.
I actually have a cup of water. Yeah, and I have my blanket.
Sunny, well, Kellen, get on your bed. Get on your bed. So annoying.
Kellen really doesn't bring anything, I suppose. I actually have kind of I have some, okay, popcorn.
What time is it?
Oh yeah, we're going to see what time it is. What time is it? It's 11:09, so at 11:09 tomorrow we're free of the couch.
Gun you had hid away,
Wow.
or you could get her out. Which would
So yeah.
Well, she wouldn't say
This won't be a long time.
so awesome.
They're not dangerous to people. They only just feed small animals.
Just drinking Sunny D.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you where we will have to move this off the couch later because we can only do this during the daytime. But when it's time to go to bed, we'll put it back and we'll like sit on the couch the whole time while everything's cleaned up. And then we'll it does not count to go off and clean this up or clean it or bring it back up.
This is good.
So yeah, I'm gonna do
Be quiet. Yes.
We're gonna get some white cheddar popcorn. So we're just gonna have some of these.
Why is your thing so blurry?
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
This has the crack at the top.
You like this costume?
It's a cute blouse. I'm sure it'll come.
I'm hungry. I need food. No, Kellen. I gotta eat some Cool Ranch Doritos. My last name's Cooley, and they named Cool Ranch, so. Kellen! Stop. I can't open this. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. We'll have to make up games and stuff.
What?
We'll have to make up games on the couch.
Okay. Kellen, stop kicking this blanket off. Ah!
I'm pretty sure Mr. Miyagi was a maintenance man at the apartment complex in Reseda.
Oh ho! You're sidetracked.
What?
Sidetracked.
Who brought this chair?
Ooh, so yeah. Okay.
I'm watching Duck Dynasty.
I'm watching that Dynasty.
You got one. Boys and ladies, and Zoras, and what else? And Samurai. Godwin may be the one here with the most
I don't
but I
know.
do know a
I
thing.
guess I'm better with some.
How far are you into it? How far are you into it?
Okay, fine.
Hey, but after all Godwin's done for us, the least I can do is Google Ren Fair Lingo, and at least sound a little cooler.
Oh.
We're here celebrating King Godwin the Scout and the year and day of his birth.
Ow.
King Godwin has requested a turn.
No.
I ordered a pizza. You don't have to take that can.
These are really good.
Okay.
Lord Willie.
Comment down below if you guys like seafood, because I love seafood. No, it's not the pranks we go, and then you see all their food.
That's close.
What he said is that comment below if you like seafood. Okay?
And last, but certainly not
A
least,
cop.
Yeah, definitely least.
from the house of
We should do
Jessica.
a game, guys.
What game?
Just like figure out a game.
Where's Jeff?
He said he had to pick something up for the party. He's scared.
What do we do?
His
Hide and seek.
Older takes his place.
On the couch.
Pardon.
You have to do that.
I know where to
Thought we
hide.
should do crafting games.
I know where to hide.
Ooh, I got a rule.
What?
River did not say that. I'm not sure River
We can
knows
get,
the couch.
okay, you do not have one time to get off the couch.
Huh?
You can have multiple, but you have to get the things under a minute and 30 seconds.
I'll quit.
And you have to challenge. If you don't get it,
I think I got it.
then
Let the games begin.
you won't get anything.
We don't get anything? What is that supposed to mean?
You have to put everything back. Basically.
Like in your bag, Sue?
They have to put everything back where you got this one.
In your bags.
No, not in the bags. You go up, so if you want something, say if I wanted a board game, I go up. Why is it like this now?
Because it's blurry.
Oh, man.
There's too much light in here. Okay. So if you go out, if you want to, say I want a board game, and I 1 minute, I set a timer, so 1 minute and 30 seconds. If I make it back in the time, 1 minute and 30 seconds, then I get the board game. If I don't, then I have to go put it back.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
historically had a common name of the
Bro, the lighting on your phone is like bad. Like it's
Do you also have a ball eagle?
What can I say? It's your favorite one to take
I
choice.
personally,
No.
a crap.
it's also my only choice. What is
Well, for our education birds, we don't give them names.
it? So can I call it Morpheus?
Let's not.
But I want to be
I want to
Neo.
get fixed $700
You
for
can be
it.
Neo.
I can be Neo?
I got 420.
That's awesome.
All right, so we're gonna try to.
My mom owes me
the worse skill you can keep that
$180.
arm, the better it will
Okay.
Come here, Morpheus.
be. There you go.
We will hunt together, Morpheus.
You
We
know,
will
more-
conquer
Okay,
the
guys, I'm
world.
gonna stop the video right now, and I'll
Take
see you back
video.
later. Bye.
You just-
Okay, alright, big boy.
So tell me when you're recording. Start over.
Stop talking about my crack.
Come on, Wired.
That sounded wrong.
It's just a normal afternoon with me and my falcon.
I know, but it's like you're bragging that you don't have one.
Freaking hold on.
I'm not.
Not with the phone.
Oh,
Yeah,
feels
we're
like it.
bonded. Like an avatar, our tails that join together. We
Honestly, it wasn't my fault.
They reproduce.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alright, so you want to show us like all together?
I really don't have time. We have to go. We have to be ready.
Ready to the sky.
Okay, let's go.
Comment down below if you heard me.
I can't believe that you willingly have done this. 3 times. That's 3 days in your life you will never get back. That's 3 weekends. It's a weekend?
Make way for the king.
Oh, here he is. His Majesty. old scouts in there.
Alright, since a true knight's work is shown
Okay.
in his ability to use the weapon. The
I'm
first
still
talent is the bow and
hungry.
arrow.
Try is kind of boring, but we can't get off the couch. So, and it's really cold. I feel good though.
I'm fixing to go get equal on all of it. Dr. Ritter! Hey!
Fire!
But now I'm faced with the reality that this is the equivalent of a carny boost. Dr. Ritter! Hey!
Fire! Whoa! Whoa! No aim. Bro. Okay. Ow. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here because I don't want to keep you guys like being bored. There's really nothing to do. So, bye. And sorry it's ended short. There's nothing to do. Bye.